Hello and welcome to Paddling and Pedaling, Florida. I'm your host, Mr. D. Hey, today we're not actually going to be doing a review of a location or anything like that today. What we are going to do is tell you about a problem that's going on with GoPro 9 and 10 if you have the media mod. Now, they just came out with the latest firmware update for the 9 and the 10, and if you own the media mod, you may have noticed that your camera will inadvertently turn on and run its battery all the way down. Now, I didn't know this. I was out on a episode the other day. I went to turn on my GoPro 10, which sits in the media mod all the time. Now, I turned the camera on and it said battery 3%. And I knew that I had charged it the day before. So, what's going on? Well, come to find out that when GoPro rolled out that latest firmware update, it affected the cameras that are mounted into the media mod, and it will turn your camera on and run the battery all the way down. Now, how I found that out was two ways. One, the episode I told you about that I was on, and the other one was I was sitting doing some post-production and I hear the GoPro beeping. And I said, what? Well, I don't have anything on. Come to find out, again, being it was in the media mod, it inadvertently turned the camera on and ran the battery all the way down. Now, that kind of sucks. So, I did some investigation, did some checking around. There's an easy fix for this, guys, a really, really easy fix. And that fix is to take your 9 and your 10, and I would do this to both of them, because I switch my media mods out between cameras. I may be shooting the 10 one day with the media mod in it, and it's because I have the max lens mod on it. And what that does is sometimes I'll put the media mod with the max lens on, and then other times it'll be the stock lens. Now today, I'm using the max media mod in my GoPro 9, and I'm shooting over here with my GoPro 10. Now, to fix this though, guys, it's really simple. Go to factory reset in your preferences, go all the way down to factory reset. Now, I know this is a pain because you're going to have to reset up all your custom settings, but go to the factory reset, reset both cameras, and then redo everything. Now, I checked it out this morning. This is how fresh this fix is. I just checked it out this morning. I left the camera in the media mod overnight, and I had 100% when I turned it on this morning to go out and do my ride. So, guys, this is a very, very, very easy fix. So, we're gonna get out and do a little riding here, show you a little scenery, stuff like that. But I just wanted to give you a tip about this latest firmware update that affects the media mod mounting of the camera of the 9 and the 10. If you have media mods, it's going to pull your battery down. All you have to do is factory reset it and you're all set to go. So hey, we'll be back in a bit. It's so pretty in here. I won't run you over. I got you. I got you. Alright guys, we're going to wrap it up out here on Paddling and Pedaling, Florida. This is going to be a very short video, but I wanted to get the information out on the firmware update for the GoPro 9 and 10 if you have a media mod. Now, if you don't have the media mod, it won't affect it. But if you have the media mod and you plug your camera into the media mod, it will drain your battery inadvertently for some reason, something to do with the connections or whatever. But the fix is simple. Go into preferences on your 9 and 10 if you use a media mod on both of those like I do, and go ahead and do a factory reset. I've tested it from last night, left the camera in the media mod all night, came up this morning to do this shoot, and it was reading 100% when I turned the camera on. So that's really great. So that solves the problem, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one.